Hi guys, today in this video I am going to share you what are the different courses in India you could do so that you can make a clear path after 10th class to pursue a career in which you want to live. You could earn the money in what job you are happy to do. So getting into the video, there are many types of courses you could do. First thing is intermediate. Everyone knows about intermediate. One is simple things we know is MPC, BIPC, MYPC and MEC and CEC. What are the MPC aspects and what are prospects and BIPC prospects and MYPC? I am going to tell you in this video. First thing, MPC, you want to be an engineer, you aspire to be an engineer. Keep the parental expectations aside. Don't follow your parents. You follow your heart. Do what you want to do. Okay, taking MPC is a good thing because taking MPC is a very good option because it opens a lot of gates in your future. One thing is becoming a engineer, studying engineering is the most, everyone in India does that. So I don't want to specify more about that. And if you take MPC, apart from engineering, I want to specify on getting into Army, Navy and Air Force, Defense Forces. It is the most prestigious and respectable jobs in the whole planet, and nobody does get that respect. Even if it's a software engineer or a doctor may get that respect, but the pride when you wear that uniform is something very, very different. And for that, you should have a decent percentile in 10+2, and then you have to apply for NDA and NA examinations, and then clear SSB interview, and then they completely your life is taken care of by the Indian Defense Forces. Especially South Indians have a bad perspective about army, that it is very dangerous and it's sacrificing life. No, it is just as risky as even a software engineer. A software engineer may also ride a car and hit the lorry and die. In the same, he's doing it in the drunk way, whereas this army person is doing it for his nation. So it's up to you, but please get into army. Army needs you. And then apart from MPC, now if we get into BIPC, having biology in your intermediate opens very precious nature's doors, because you from childhood, if you are watching National Geographic and Discovery and thrilled to watch Bear Grylls expediting the world's hostile areas in the world and moving forth. If you have the interest to study nature, you want to study animals, you want to study plants, you want to discover new animals, you discover new plants, and even though if you want to crack MBBS and get into be as a doctor, then please have biology in your intermediate. One thing, you can have BIPC, do BIPC course and follow your path. Otherwise, if some people are an intermediate people, they don't know what to choose, MPC or BIPC, but they want either of the both. They doesn't want to choose CEC and all. So if you are that kind of a person, please choose MBIPC. That course is also there in our India, our Telangana or Hyderabad, many areas. MBIPC is common nowadays. MBIPC opens two-way gates. You can follow a path of an engineer or a doctor or a wildlife photographer, or you get into Serengeti and study about animals. So please choose that if you are interested in means you want to study both. And one thing I want to specify is that if you have MPC or BIPC, it doesn't matter. You can apply for NDA and NA examination, which gets you into Army, Navy and Air Force. And one more thing is that if you have a decent percentile in 10+2 with MPC, you are eligible for 10+2 technical entry scheme in Indian Army, which takes you without examination and only has an interview. You'll have a very good experience. Go for that interview. It'll make you job ready, simply because apart from intermediate, there are many more things you can pursue after your 10. One thing is diploma. I'll take use of the list because it'll be more comfortable to me. Diploma is a 3-year course in which, if listen, students, if you want to pursue engineering for sure, if you fix that in your mind, then please opt for diploma. Don't take intermediate and follow the same routine intermediate engineering, because it pays a lot of money of your parents. If you do diploma, you do 3 years of diploma in a college within the state. And especially it is not for the students who aim for IIT and all, it's only for the students who aim for the local colleges. You do 3 years of course diploma in our state, and then write ECET examination to enter into directly second year of engineering, and you complete with the same parallel time the intermediate students complete the engineering course. So you'll be in the same pace. Okay, then in diploma there are many things. One is mechanical engineering, same engineering subjects like that, mechanical engineering, electrical, civil, electronics, information and control engineering, mining engineering and textile engineering. And mechanical, electrical, electronics and all are the most sorted out courses because they have a lot of scope in India. If you want to go outside country, then you may also take biotechnology and all in your engineering, main engineering. And keeping aside diploma, next I come to ITI. If ITI, I want to mention some things, because in engineering, take case of engineering. Engineering has 28 subjects or to 40 subjects, but it's completely, I think it's useless. I feel it's useless because in ITI you study I mentioned ITI courses. ITI means Industrial Training Institute. It offers courses of electrician, plumber, welder, turner, mechanic, and these type of courses. So ITI makes you proficient in one particular course. That is, if you take electrician, you are proficient in electrician, so that you can build a career on becoming an electrician. That is, you primarily start from a basic electrician and slowly set up a company, and then you excel like that in a single particular field. And next, there are other few things which are job ready courses. These are called job ready courses. This is essential in many students, because these are the courses which you do so that you after these courses immediately you get a job. So these are the courses. I'll list the broad outline. That is vocational course, it is called, then paramedical course, then certificate courses, and another thing is diploma in vocation. Of course, these does not give job in officer level, but these surely do give you a job. These surely do assure you a job. Instead of going engineering and wasting time and just sitting at home, if you do these jobs, you'll surely get a job, at least a minimal job, so that you can survive. I'll be explaining you about these courses in the next video, which is the part 2 of this video. Please do comment, because comments are very important for the next video, so that I can correct myself. And thanks for encouraging me. Signing off, yours Rugal.